what's up? Welcome back to our channel. This is Rachel from LeadSub. I'd like to take you on a tour of our factory here in Jiangxi province. With the unique climate here, the humid air and ideal temperature is perfect for sublimation coating process. Specifically, let's take a closer look at how our sublimation glass cutting boards are made. Let's go. LeadSub offers sublimation glass cutting boards in both textured and smooth surface. These cutting boards are not only durable and versatile, but also easy to clean, resistant to bacterial growth, and designed to withstand daily use without breaking easily. They are perfect for kitchens, restaurants, or even as personalized gifts. Now we are entering the automatic spraying and roller coating workshop, where roll-tempered glass is transformed into sublimation glass cutting boards. On the left is the automatic spraying line. Here we apply the sublimation coating to the glass. On the right side is the roller coating line, where a white primer layer is added to ensure vivid printed colors. Let's look at the spraying process. First, we clean the glass surface with an air gun to remove dust. Glass boards are then placed onto a conveyor belt, which moves them under the spray nozzle. You can see the transparent sublimation coating being evenly applied. After spraying, the glass pieces continue along the conveyor into a long drying tunnel. They stay here for 40 minutes at a controlled temperature to dry the first layer. Timing is crucial. At the end of the drying tunnel, the glass boards emerge with a transparent sublimation coating, ready for the next step. Next, the coated boards undergo initial quality checks before being moved to the cooling machine. Once cooled, our workers use a handheld grinder to lightly roughen the coating. This step ensures the white primer adheres properly. After grinding, we remove any dust with the air gun. Now we move to the white primer application process. As with the previous step, the glass is quickly dusted before being placed onto the conveyor. This time we use roller coating technology to apply the white primer. Roller coating is precise, ensuring the edges remain clean and free of paint. The boards are then moved to another drying tunnel for the same controlled process. Some glass might have cracked during high-temperature baking. Rest assured, defective pieces are removed, ensuring you receive only the highest quality products. After cooling, the boards undergo initial quality check and packaging, where each piece is placed in a thin plastic bag for protection. And during the quality check, we've set aside some defective ones. In the last stage, the cutting boards are packed into paper boxes. Each box includes 4 anti-slip pads, so your cutting board stays secure during use. Here's a final look at the beautifully crafted glass cutting boards, ready to elevate your sublimation projects. LeadSub sublimation glass cutting boards combine functionality and style, making them an excellent choice for creative professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Thank you for joining us on this factory visit. We hope you enjoyed learning about craftsmanship behind our products. See you in the next video.